close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And
how's it going today, my favorite people? Back on the Z again for kind of a state of the channel motovlog sort of video. Lately we've been doing a lot of review videos on this channel, and that's kind of the direction that I've been going with this, because motovlogs are personally really hard to tag to get any sort of number of reviews on it until you've built some sort of base. So let's kind of walk through the numbers on where we're sitting with the channel. Right now we have about 227 subscribers, which is awesome. I appreciate everybody that continues to subscribe and continues to watch my channel, which is pretty awesome. We have approximately 124,000 views on the channel, which is again a lot of the part thanks to my Ninja 650 review video that goes over the intricacies of the Ninja 650. We've done bike reviews, we've done car reviews, we've done all sorts of different stuff on the channel. I think I even did a gun video once. That one I think got flagged for copyright, so the sound in it is gone. The video has been muted. But lots of things are changing, guys. As you saw in my last video, we got a Kawasaki Vulcan 900 in the garage now, as well as made some changes to the Z1000, put an integrated taillight on it, got her all ready to go for spring, chain lubed, all that sort of stuff. God, the Z's a fun bike to run. It just, you twist the throttle and you just rock it away. The thing just revs and revs and revs. But anyways, I had some new ideas for the channel. We'll slow down here so the wind isn't getting us. Some new ideas. One thing that I wanted to try doing, it was kind of inspired by Chase on Two Wheels' Motovlog channel, where he wants to do kind of a rider profile kind of deal, where he can, you know, explore the different types of people that are in lifestyle, as well as their bikes, what they enjoy doing, why they joined. And I want to do something similar to that. Now, I'm part of a couple different motorcycle groups on Facebook in the Twin Cities here in Minnesota, where I've invited some of the people to basically tell me their story, tell me about their bike. I did get some responses back today, which is going to be awesome. We're going to do kind of an interview style video, as well as a profile on their bike, and do some riding videos alongside that, maybe some dual vlog type deals, where they get set up with a GoPro, I get set up with mine, we take some rolling shots. You know, another thing that I want to continue doing, and I really enjoy doing, is these reviews, and that will kind of go hand in hand in these rider profile videos I do. I won't get to review their bikes. I probably won't even ride their bikes unless that's something that they're interested in. But I want to try continuing doing these reviews. I have a bunch of friends that have different types of motorcycles, you know, very, very interesting bikes. Some of them with some good pros and cons that can be reviewed in a video. I just think it's a great opportunity for the channel and for me to learn more and dig in with research. But yeah, I want to continue increasing the channel's size. You know, I want to do things. I want to find interesting things that you guys enjoy watching and give you that content, whether that's different bike reviews, me, you know, buying / upgrading / customizing a bike, to eventually give away to you guys if we can ever get to that point where we have that sort of subscribership where we can, you know, have some sort of influence in the motovlogging community as well as the motorcycling community. And for those of you that watch my videos regularly, what do you guys think of my content in terms of you know, video quality, audio quality, the drone footage? I've been trying to expand my skills on the drone, on the sticks as it would be. The big thing that I need from you guys is I need some feedback, right? More so than just a like or a dislike on the videos. Those comments, they're really crucial in for me improving my content, because, you know, I enjoy watching my own videos, but, you know, I can only watch each of them a few times before I'm bored out of my mind. And I want to build stuff that you guys enjoy watching. But I want this channel, I know I have a lot of random things to say today, but I want this channel to kind of evolve into something where it's a community where, you know, you guys as the subscribers and as the viewers kind of come up with ideas for what we do. So that's where that comment section is very, very important for you guys. But that about does it for me today, guys. I just wanted to give you a little update video on what we're doing on the channel, what we plan to do on the channel, what you guys can expect to see. But like I said, that about does it for me today, guys. I'm MN250. I love you. Like, comment, subscribe. Keep the rubber side down. And we'll see you next time.
The storms we chase are leading us.